Texas Instruments shares hit a record high, last up 14.6% following their earnings last night.
And don't I... So 9:45 is a U.S. S&P service PMI flash and the manufacturing PMI flash. It's huge news, so please be careful. We do have like 6 minutes. If you were to trade in between then...
Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Oh, look at you. You're fast, girl. Thank you for the roses. It's like you have split personalities. You're on 2 accounts at one time. I'm just joking. Oh, yeah, that's right. You upgraded to 3. Do you have 3 separate computers or, like, all attached to one computer? Oh, wow. If you understood my career, you would understand.
So in 5 minutes time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the US S&P Manufacturing PMI April flash read. Forecast 52.5 on the
I don't
prior
mean to.
52.3 with a range of 54 to 50.5. Services PMI forecast 50.6 on the
This
prior
is a short, but
49.8
I'm a little
with a range of
nervous.
51.5 to 49.3. The composite PMI forecast 50.6 on the prior 50.3.
I want to short this, but I am nervous. Just because the news is so close. And if we want to do Fibonacci from the top, swing to the bottom. We're at the 78s now. Easily can come up and swipe these highs. I would wait. It's probably going to be manipulation. You do so much better when you trade gold. It probably is a lot easier. Or trading ES, but ES rejected. What? Did you get the live trailing drawdown one? It definitely is easier. I just Yogurt says, we out here, bro. YT gang is tiny, but our our PPs are huge. I'll say it like that. I can see how massive it is from over here, bro. Vivi! Yeah, but it's easier to handle, if that makes sense. NQ is a beast, bro. Trading gold! All right, let's see. Got 3 minutes left. I don't want to be on gold too long because there's massive news coming out. Gold is just short right now. But again, 745s, I would take my TP. I mean, gold looks so easy to trade right now. But there's big news coming out in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Massive news. Liberty. Is my screen showing? Yeah, okay. What's up, man? Okay, you ready? 1 minute left. 1 minute left. PMI. Dude, what did anybody figure out what that manipulation was yesterday? Does anybody know? Because it was crazy. Holy shit.
1 minute remaining for the US S&P data. I'll leave with the manufacturing PMI. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index rising 2% to a record high, on track for its 17th gain in
Dude,
a
it was
row.
massive. Oh, man. Because if you had to pick a stream squad to go to battle with who would you pick? TikTok definitely seems like the troops with rocket launchers and shit. Yeah, rocket launchers, but my YT crew are snipers.
10 seconds.
All right, 10 seconds. Ready? Be careful if you're in this. It's gonna be a massive letdown. There it goes.
54, higher than forecast, 52.5. The
Higher than
services at
forecast. It should rip
51.3,
up. Manipulation.
51.3, which is higher than forecast, 50.6. Composite at 52, higher than forecast, 56.
Manipulation. It did come in good, but not good enough, I guess. Higher than expected, yes. But unfortunately, with this data, you have to weigh the whole fucking thing. Good luck doing that, man. That wasn't that crazy. That wasn't that crazy. Maverick. I'm there. I'm gonna take it slow today, I think. There it goes, our ribbon. All right, so now we got our soul collector. So recently I've been ignoring them, but some of them have been okay. Just got to do the lower highs. In theory, we should go higher. In theory. This is where it gets fucking technical. We can go to the 30-second chart. I don't see anything yet, and I don't want to just jump in, guys, because you know what happens. Technically, we could have bought this dip, but that's fucking hard, bro. It's hard. Slow and steady, Powers. Slow and steady. At least you got some of it back. Mr. Bastard. I'm scared, Maverick.
Early release of the UK GfK consumer confidence coming in at minus 25.
Wait, where's Scoomer Conf? Where's what did he say? I did not see consumer confidence on here. I know that's what he just said. Unless he's saying consumers gave him confidence. Let me refresh this. I don't know. No, both of them came out positive. Both came out positive. What's yesterday's high, Yogurt? He says my butt is clenched. Now, if this can crush here, we can maybe get a short. But, yeah, no, I'm not fucking confident. This is going to rip down and then rip back up. 27,130. Oh, so it's like right there. Okay. Oh, that was UK consumer? Thank you for the, thank you. She's not in here, Powers. That was from yesterday. That sucks. The rules that she just posted for the daily payout. All right, so this is going to get real interestingly weird, okay? You have two bully blocks here. One short signal. Man. I really think we should wait a minute. Trying to see what color I'd actually want. So it's showing a short with support. Awkward movement. I would stay out a little bit. Plus, if you go on a short time frame, a short swing from this wackadoo candle to the upside, Fibonacci, so from 0 to 100, we literally hit the 78% pullback and bounced. Not random. Now we got our bulls. I kind of want to buy now. I'm going to buy. Yeah, gold's probably a lot easier right now. I can't trade gold right this second because it's silly apex. Wow, even 2 micros feels like it's a lot, but we gotta hold it together. Be gangsta. I would probably trade 1 unless you guys are in an eval. Dude, my Trade Sinker is still not working. There we go. Oh, Maverick, don't get me all nervous. It's gonna battle here. But it looks, this has already been filled. It should continue up. Yeah, they are. It's definitely hesitating. I agree with that. Sea Bear. Mm-hmm. Come on. Hold. Hold. Are you trading options too? Hold. I mean, we still got the 5-minute cookie here. Right? Makes me have more confidence. But, you know, does it want to come to 998s, 27Ks again? I don't know. There's a lot of weird areas here. Even if this rips back, it's like, do I close it? Because it could easily bounce. But it's too much money to hold. It's already $137 on 2. Okay, we're still at the midline. Or that order block. That bully block. I call it bully block because it's my own criteria. Dude, this thing is bleeding a bit. Yeah, every time the Russell does, dude, this thing just fucking bleeding on me. I'm not understanding it. Sorry, Maverick. We're still good, but this is pretty... We might have to go lower than this. 2 micros is fucking $200 each. Let's go to the 30-second chart because this is obviously booty hole. All right, let's see if we got a chance here. All right, we got another bounce here. Yogi says, I think we're good on longs for the day, though. Might want to touch 5-minute trend line and go up. That's what I was thinking, but this is pretty heavy. We're going to see right now. Right in that cookie line, baby. Yeah, small size is definitely the way to go. 2 micros feels a little bit too much right now. Does it want VWAP? Dude, I've been getting walloped, bruh. Look at this fucking thing. It needs to come down a little more. At this rate, it needs to come to 27K. No way, Maverick. How much did you go? How many contracts did you go in? Now you made me feel guilty as fuck. It's true, Maverick, but you still made me feel guilty. Dude, this sucks D, bro. Already the price action sucks. We got Nodule speaks. And then Greer speaks. Dude, what the fuck? Alright, this is the line in the sand here. Line in the sand. I'm gonna add to it. Adding. Hey, cowboy. Damn. It's done, man. This is bullshit. You got... It's already fucking closed below. That's it. This market sucks, bro. The only thing I got going for me is this. 78% pullback. What a fucking bleed, dude. It's so, like, I feel like it's so random. Nothing holds. The follow through sucks if you do hold. It's almost like a gamble. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. I just can't get the right direction. It just... Everything is confusing all the time. I don't mean to talk like caca, but this market is freaking hard, guys. It's not easy. I want to talk better. Yeah, it's been like this for how long now, though? When's it going to stop? Watch this rip to the moon. I'm not really proud of this. Dude, Sea Bear, but if you look in the past, dude, we ripped 300 points like twice last night. Look at this thing. I mean, this is the only thing I could think of. It's bouncing off an old bully block here. We're taking VWAP again. Jasmine around, Cowboy says. Jasmine, you here? Probably not. I'm losing. Yogurt still thinks we're good on longs. Yeah, I can't hold it much longer than that. If it was going to go any lower, I have to close it. That's the other countries that trade our market. Well, No, I mean, not really. Futures is futures. Trump was I still don't know the dip last night. Does anybody understand why it dipped like that last night? VWAP is here, so I don't know why it would bounce there. 5 minute, yeah, maybe. Dude, look at that. Look at this. Jeez. Tell me that's not crazy. Tell me that's not a soul grabber. Holy shit. That's insane. Insane. Look, we think like profit taking last night, Yogurt? Or insider trading? That wasn't retail traders, Seabear. That was definitely banks taking money last night and whipsawing it. It's either they wanted a better price last night. We're trying to see the news, but the news last night didn't have anything. There was something with China injecting the yen into something, but I don't know if that would have affected our shit. It could have. Look at this thing. It's going to go long. Look at this thing. 0.30 rips us up. That was a manipulation candle as fine as holy shit. That's why I said it doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. I'm not crazy. What needs to be done is we need to size even lower than 2. We need to do 1. Because look at that. Look at this candle. That's insane, dude. It's insane. Got 3 minutes left. I don't want you, Bon Jovi. Next. Yeah. I mean, it did hit 27K already. I feel like this should rip back up, but if this line can't hold, this is bad. Look at it holding the other areas though. 0.05 micros? Bro, we need 0.05s. I heard that they were trying to do so you got your mini, your micros, and there was something else. There was something else that they were going to come up with. Here it goes. Very good high or low. Look at this. What do you guys think? I can't remember what it's called. They're trying to come out with it because obviously some people cannot handle this, especially if you're using real money, like a cash account. I mean, imagine you came in with $800 to trade. Yeah, if this breaks this line, it should rip up. Prior candle high. It's you got two hammers, and what does the hammers do? You hammer yourself out of a problem. You fix it. And that's what this is doing. I'm going to dig myself out of the hole. It's a pickaxe. It should dig out. It should. It's got to break. X of death. So that was for this short. And look, this thing fucking played out. It's hard. It's hard, man. I guess I did go against my soul collector. Give us a magnet? Alright, you got it. Look at this thing. This thing is gonna rip my soul out. Can I, Did it even break? I don't think it broke yet. Lower high. Shit. Come on. Market's making me feel like a rookie. But in reality, like, man, we got to pay attention to our soul collector. I haven't been paying attention to it because it hasn't been working. And then when it works, this happens. Fucking ravished down to hell. This isn't good, the way it keeps coming down. I feel like a rookie. Went to thousands a month to fucking back to ravishing hell recently. I want a short, but I can't trust anything. Ooh, you want a short now? This could be a 3-bar play. I pray it's something like that and it's going to rip back up. This is the 78% pullback here. 2025, they called for ES to hit 7100. It hit weeks ago. Time to reverse. We're going to see. I feel like it wasn't a big enough pullback. I mean, we ripped back a lot, dude, but I think we need a good 20K on NQ. This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt down here. Boys don't cry. Except for me. Market makes me want to cry. This does look ugly, right? Oh, man. It looked like it was going to hold, and now it does not look like it's holding. It just did not break this 29s. If this rips up again, I'm going to pull my hair. Don't cry. I mean, it's at that 150 again. Ah, you went long, Nico? I knew it. I knew it. Can you do me a favor and close for me? As ES, let's see. Yeah, it's about the same. I mean, ES has got that nice deep pullback with the rip. ES is ripping, so hopefully NQ should follow. I mean, ES is playing so much better. Is it though? This whole area, I think people got fucked up. This whole area, people got messed up. I'm just joking, Nico. You are not the reason. Dude, what a ravish. But ES is looks beautiful. Look at this. Ready? 78% pullback. Bang. Yeah, I'm staying long. But look at this, the orb high, man, again.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill. NQ is lagging a bit, so let's see if it rips up more with it. The ES is kind of rejecting this area. It depends on how you're looking at it. If you look on a 5-minute, it's a lower high, right? ES is a lower high. 1 minute, it's a higher high. Laura, you said gold? Gold does look a little springy. But look at that, right off the VWAP for the gold. You got 2 buys on gold. Oil looks dumpish. Unless it rejects here and holds. Dude. Does this not make you want to pull your hair out? Power says yeah. I know, right? Apex, not trading gold. Yeah, but I feel like I would have made a lot of money on gold. It's pretty easy to see. Like gold should hit 747s. You're out of here or out of hair? No! No! That was a good short. Damn, cowboy. You're out of hair? Oh, man. Chrome Dome. Are you bald? Yeah, gold fucking raped me last year. Remember there was a part where we were so mad at gold, we just ignored it? We would just say F gold. People would be like, can you look at gold? And I was like, F gold. Very good, good trade. Trading gold. Yeah, there was a point where we did not like gold for like a whole 2 months. I hate gold. Remember, it was just ravishing us. And that wasn't even like... Little did we know that that was probably banks trying to get a better deal, knowing that it was going to rip to the moons. Sorry. Two seconds. Sorry. My friend texted me. ES, did it? It's still deciding, stair stepping. Oh my god. My silver trade? Yeah, I lost 15K. Cash! I remember that. I've been along, Dad, but it's been a nightmare. I remember that, dude. I fucking lost 15K cash. No, wait. Was it 15K cash or was that the 50,000? When I was in Mexico, I lost 15K each account. Oh yeah, it was, right? I couldn't remember which one it was. The one on my treadmill in my gym is when I accidentally was no, it was. That was the fucking 50K. Dude, I was like depressed. I remember that. I had to blank that out of my life. Thank God it only cost me $300 though. Yogurt. I remember I was fucking. I went to trade an eval on silver because silver was popping, but you can easily pass. You were either passing or failing. I bought a new one. I thought I swear it switched over and it stayed on the same account and it copy traded to all my live accounts, 3 cash accounts. It was like 50K. Jesus, Maverick. Yeah, I know sizing is important. Sometimes you make a lot of money and then you get a little reckless. One time it will go in my favor. It hasn't yet. I don't know if you guys noticed. It hasn't yet. I risk like 10 or 20K to make the big dog and I fucking lose it every time. Sir, this is a Wendy's. Oh my God, Maverick. This market really got you upset. Dude, look at this market. What is this? There is somebody speaking at 11. Oh shit, my news has been off. Dude, I've been getting wrecked. I've been in a long for a while though. But I'm not really happy with it, Christina. I've been getting kind of pummeled. It got really confusing. It looks like we're about to get back into you went long in the bottom? Good job, Dad. Piece of shit. I mean, good job, Dad. I'm jealous. That's why I said that. Look at this thing. It finally broke it. It finally broke it, though. Let's go.
Canada's PM.
Dude. This thing won't go up. Who is this monster?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my
Who is
face.
this monster of a person who keeps shorting us like this? I'm sorry if I missed any of you guys' question. At 11 is Kansas City Fed Manufacturing, ECB, Nagel. Beaks. The Kansas City is pretty good. It should move it. Big boy, thank you for the rose. Daly says I'm in a short. Then we don't like you right now, Daly. We need this to blast up, unfortunately.
1 minute remaining for the EIA natural gas change.
2 minis, cowboy. Oof.
Ten seconds. A build of 103 BCF.
Is it
That's a build
really?
of 103 BCF, higher than the expected build of 96 BCF.
It says that's red news, but I think that's bullish. Yeah, I should have gotten in short up here. What happened was the rejection here
Posted the natural gas storage change report.
threw me off.
It's on the feed for those interested.
You can see that it's been rejecting it the whole time. Did it trades? Yeah, heat's good for the muscles when it's in a knot. A friend of mine told me that there's rumors Trump wears diapers after these past markets. I fully believe it. I did hear this too. I mean, dude, the guy is almost 8. He's 80, right? Only one?
Natural gas futures extend their losses after the EIA reports a bigger than expected storage build.
You're getting out of 74? Mine's at 66. I mean, this could easily come up to, 74. I kind of agree with that. Dude, what a pain in the ass, though, guys. I knew this was manipulated, but still, too much to hold. I could just picture each other just staring at each other, waiting for this to come up. What the hell? I can change. Yogurt, good job, Yogurt. But look at this midline, bro, of the order block. That's when it's nauseating. How many I hope you win in
Say
one.
money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
Daddy? Is that you?
That's when it's
Daddy?
nauseating when you're
Daddy?
doing that.
Is that you?
Two?
Is that
Oof.
you? Daddy?
Yeah, try to do
Is
one.
that you? Ethan V, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
56. I'm looking for first target is 63 and then
Al Arabiya, citing the
73.
Pakistani diplomat, says that Iran has informed
Time
us
in
that the
hands,
blockade
mother.
is the
I'm not
obstacle
fucking.
preventing it from participating in negotiations.
Sorry. It's still resisting here, so be careful. This could be a short. This could be a fucking short. It needs to rip up now. We're at another resistance area. 0.618. I don't even know. I was too pumped, Sea Bear. I'll wait until it pops up. It's like 15 seconds before it they type it out. I mean, in reality, I should take out two. Because this could actually short. Trying to think. Ethan V, thank you for the roses. Sorry, I missed it. Alright, that was a short. But it could be short-lived. But then ding 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 boosh. That was my drum set for my joke. I think it goes sideways a bit. I do want to take some out, but we are getting short signals here. It can go down to 27.18s. But this thing looks so fucking hard to trade. I don't know anymore. Just get me out two so we can feel a little peace at mind. Because look how many times it's rejected. Will you fucking just get me? It also looks like a bull flag, too. Just saw that now. I'm seeing so much stuff, guys. Still nothing. I don't see the Iran thing. Alright, we're out two.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill. Working. See, like, this is an issue, though. You got shorts here, and it's still ripping up. I don't like it. I know that it's ripping up. I'm happy. But that goes against our trading strategies. Very hard market. Very difficult. Especially the way this is acting. Still holding inside. Holy shit. What? You should have your cricket noise. You don't have it? Is it not appearing? Maybe that's what I need to add. I remember I had to if it doesn't work now, then I'll have to restart it somehow in the future. Later, yogurt. Oh, you see? There's that short. It's still played. Really awkward movement, though. I almost want to go long again. Don't copy me in this, please. Huge candle For what reason? Jesus. I'm going against everything I fucking trade. It said inactivity, but it should rip up. So that short would have played out. Going in a little bit heavy. Oof, that fair value gap had to be created. Born to be wild. Rip up. Scary doggy. Definitely a chop day. It's probably going to be until somebody speaks. That Kansas City thing is usually kind of big at 11s and 20 minutes. Come on, pull up a little bit.
Fars News reports that Iran received a hard currency payment for Hummer's toll.
You're cold as ice. This is Nasdaq futures. Come on, bounce. Bounce. You still in it?
So the full paragraph from Fars, according to
Cat
information
gamer?
provided by the Central Bank of Iran to Fars, the
Got a
income
brain fart
generated
there.
from the fees collected for ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz has been deposited in the bank. This income was in the form of foreign currency. Previously, some media outlets claimed that Iran received fees related to the Strait of Hormuz in the form of cryptocurrencies.
Dude, I love torturing myself. What, is gold moving? Fuck you, man.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Muslim 588888888. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I'm not really worried yet. Got some balls, Uncle Bully. I know. I think I'm just like annoyed I haven't had a payout, so I've been going in a little bit heavy. A payout meaning like in the past 2 or 3 weeks. Probably 3 weeks, right? The bleed is unreal, though. I might need a break. Maybe I'm burnt out. All right, we're about to get a bullish momentum here. I'm going to enter another... Oof. I'm going to take some out here, though. I didn't want it to... You trailed it. Loser daily. No, just joking. That was a good trade by you. I just felt like it was more long. And I feel like I was still right that it was a long. It just was manipulated. It was very awkward. If you go to the 5-minute chart, look at this thing. I bet you it's actually this. Similar. It's around there. I bet you the 15-minute maybe looks a little better. Something like this. So those candles were huge. Huge. But daily, it'll work in the future, so keep it up, you know? Keep that up. Right now, it's just a different story, you know? Tweak was on here before, and I was joking with him, but he says, I'm gonna actually get off and go study. And I said, my words were, don't study this market too hard, right? Every once in a while, you're going to get a market that makes absolutely no sense with no patterns. And guess what? It's just banks and hedge funds trying to stick it in your butt with no consent. There's nothing about it. You can't find the pattern because there is no pattern. They're there just to collect your money, and they're using the war news.
Daddy, is that you? Is that
They're
you?
using the war news to justify their movements, so they don't get in trouble. That's the. You know how news works when it just rips back and forth? That's their way of collecting money. Same thing, but now instead of just one event of news, it's weeks of news because of the war. So this is their justification of doing it. So I've been trading a long, long time, and every once in a while, every once in a blue moon, nothing will make sense. Nothing. And there's a reason. It's because you're not supposed to understand it. It's to get off those paper hands. When they say you trade to survive, it's usually moments like this. I'm sure it did, Daily. That's pretty heavy.
Sergio, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Alright, we got a short here. I am going to scalp the shit out of this. I ain't holding this bitch. Alright? And I need to stop doing 6. I am not trading gold right now. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. What's a good tick spray? Anybody know? I'm getting nervous going in the woods. There's a lot of them lately, and I keep getting scared by social media. Dude, come on. What was I on? Was I on the 30-second chart like an asshole? I was, wasn't I? We're still Gucci. Is that good? Insect repellent. Sawyer. I need I feel like I need it for skin. Unless I can
Daddy?
spray it on my
Daddy?
socks.
Is that you? Is that you?
Should I do it on my shoes? I'm in a short now, yeah. I don't want it. I don't know. I'm gonna be like, say like when I'm biking. Raid? That's for cockroaches. I don't know if Raid's good for the skin though. I see this Ben stuff is good. And the stuff that you showed me is good for clothing. 41,000 reviews on that. Holy shit. I could spray my shoes. You think that's enough? Maverick. I got a tick bite a few days ago. Oof.
And it's time now at the top of the hour. Get the Kansas City Fed Composite Index. Forecast is 9.5 on the prior 11. Manufacturing prior was 11.
I'm gonna be wearing Dude, it's garbage day, Christine. Yo, Raid works for big bugs though. For the wasp, it works really good too, man. Scary. I love warm weather, but man, the bugs that come with it are scary. Yeah, direct to skin stuff has failed you. Oof. So should I spray that on my shoes or something? I'll wear longer socks with shorts when I'm like biking in the woods. But dude, they've been like, there's lots of them, dude. It's crazy. Daddy does all. Powers. Daddy does all. You did too. Hurt myself 2 months ago. Yikes. Dude, this looks so fucking good, and then it rips back up. This candle here has been a nightmare. This zone. You're traumatized? You gotta get a good bike, too. It is trying to fill. Dude, see, like, this hurts. Man, it finally ripped through. We're at the orb high now. I went in way too heavy. Let's see what happens here. If it stays inside the orb, what happens? It gets
So just
choppy
picking up
all
from
day.
the tanker trackers here that the US blockade line runs from most of the eastern point of Oman up to the border between Iran and Pakistan.
This shit's expensive as fuck. Did you ever hear of Ben's chicken insect repellent? Oh my god, this thing is ripping, dude. That's true too. I'm trying to short with a magnet on. Fucking dumbass me. What a dumbass. I'm hoping it fucking rejects here. I've been having just a shit time of trading. We're gonna do one more. Dude, this is terrible. It did what I originally wanted. Let's see right now. If it rejects here, it'll be a good spot. Okay, we got a
So
rejection.
just to clarify, the US blockade line is running from the most eastern point of Oman and then up to the border of Iran and Pakistan.
It's expensive though. Holy shit. Never tried the Benz. I just had the best luck with Gotcha. I mean, this has a lot of fucking reviews. Dude, what the fuck? Nothing's working.
So in 5 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, we get the Kansas City Fed Composite Index, forecast 9.5 on the prior 11. Manufacturing saw a prior of 11. We're also expecting comments from ECB's Nagel at the top
As
of
soon
the
as
hour
I get
as
out, you know
well.
it's gonna fucking
Speaking in
fall.
Frankfurt.
Oh no, I'm not swimming through brushes. I know better. Dude, what the fuck? There's no fucking news. It's just a long blockade. You would think that would fucking fall.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Do I just buy and let it fucking stop trying to go against it? Honestly, I don't give a fuck if I crack these accounts. I'm so annoyed with fucking trading lately. So annoyed. Still holding? Nice trading gold. I'm so annoyed with fucking trading lately. Cowboy, I'm not okay. It's just annoying. This is like fucking stress trading. I'm usually not stressed. I've just been stressed for like 2 weeks. As we watch this thing rip all day. I can't right now trading gold. My Apex is being punished. How many more seconds is this? This is what we originally
Daddy?
thought this morning,
Daddy?
dude.
Is that you? Is
Crazy.
that you? Oh, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Dude, close the fucking orders! Jesus. You saw my thing, it kept staying open. I'm not happy with that trading, though. I'm not happy at all. We're going to find out real quick what happens here. Nice, daily. Think it's going to fall? I'm kind of thinking that too, but I'm going to wait and see. How did it happen here? was a minute pullback. My luck, it's not. All right, I'm a short 2. Getting in premature.
1 minute remaining. I'll be leading with Kansas City Fed Manufacturing.
Oh, God. Be good or bad, dude. See how it reacts. Look at it. This thing was so strong. You can see what happens when it breaks out. Look at it. It touches it and then rips. Wait, are you long or short, Daily?
Ten seconds.
This is straight up gamble though, because this news could rip it to the moon.
Still waiting on the data.
Still waiting on the data. Emo Californications.
The US to sell 77 billion in 3-month bills on April 27th to settle on April 30th.
Going long.
The US to sell 69 billion in 2-year notes on April 27th to
Going
settle on
long.
April 30th. And the US to sell 89 billion in 3-month bills on April 27th to settle on April 30th. The US to sell 30 billion in 2-year floating rate notes on April 28th to
These
settle on
usually
April
bleed
30th.
up, by the way, so just be
And the US to
careful.
sell 70 billion in 5-year notes on April 27th to settle on April 30th, and the US to sell 44 billion in 7-year notes on April 28th to settle on April 30th.
The data is out, but I can't read it yet. These usually bleed up. I could be absolutely fucking wrong the way this market's been acting. But all the Mag 7 is bullish right now. Also, my 5-minute Mag 7 trend indicator is all bullish too. The leader is Meta. I don't see why this doesn't hit 1, 2, 3 now. If it doesn't, then fuck this trading. He said I'm done for the year. Why say that? See you in 2027. Vacation. Watch this just rip down to hell. AIDS, you're a fucking loser. I hope your Discord fails.
Kansas City Fed Composite Index 10.10, higher than forecast at 9.5. And Kansas City Fed Manufacturing 10.10.
I guess I could, right? I don't even know. I guess I could do that. I'm gonna look into that. I'll do that later though, I think. Thanks for the tip. I thought I was desperate. Man, this girl's like dancing on here. Everybody's short right now. I'm the only one that's long. I'm in longs yet. Oh my god, where did this guy post? I keep trying to edit the channels for the permissions. There's one I cannot figure out. The at and all. Alright, that one's there. Save changes. We were none. No more. I think I got them all finally. The at and all things. So we should get less spam in Discord. Broke below that one, so I don't even mind being wrong. It's you know what bothers me is when you're wrong, right? And then it just rips in your direction right after. Oh, there's the fucking anchor. And there's the long signal. We had this before, though, so be careful. And then it ripped down to the downside. Which one's it going to be this time? I still think this is probably the OG here. Come on, rip up. Let the people think I know what I'm doing. Let the people think I know what I'm doing. Wayward son, when you're alone. Boom, boom.
According to a tanker tracker source here, the 4 Iranian oil tankers break through the siege by the US forces and enter Iran.
What? If this does pause here, it should reject off the fair value gap. Dude, come on. This stops at 132s. I'm going to enter a little more.
So again, tanker trackers saying that in the past 2 days, 4 Iranian oil tankers have successfully broken through the American blockade and entered Iranian waters. So excuse me, that was coming from Tasnim News.
Dude, sometimes they're not that bad, and then sometimes they're relentless. Get up there. It should shoot right up. At least soul collect real quick at least. Dude, come on. Random as shit, bro. Let's stop at 132. Let's stop at 132. Let's really fucking make them think like they're crazy.
So a piece from the Wall Street Journal indicates that shippers are staying clear of the Strait of Hormuz after vessel seizures. So international shipping companies are staying clear of the strait after the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps seized 2 Mediterranean shipping company vessels on
I
Wednesday,
thought
according to
that
ship
too,
owners
Sea
and
Bear.
analytics.
Dude, get your ass up there. I am so fucking annoyed right now. I don't fucking get it, bro. I don't fucking get it.
The Fed bids for 4-week bills totaling $1.1 billion.
After this, I'm gonna get off, guys. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna do some other stuff for a couple hours. This market sucks, dick. I want to add more into it, see if it bounces. If not, then I don't give a fuck. It should bounce off the fair value gap. I do not see a reason why it does not hit the 1.23 extension. You know, we got 2 anchors now. We need a lower high, though. Thank you, X6. I'm assuming, did you lose your account or did you buy more? Rip through! You still in my Discord, each section has its own description of how to use it. ZS or Z5, sorry. Ah! Ah! Flatten. Why isn't it flattening? It's all up to you. Bully's right again, LOL. It happens daily. But that drove me crazy. It drove me crazy. Why is it doing this? I know I'm right, but also at the same time, it's like, dude, what the fuck? You can tell, look at this pattern too. Like, this is wild. Eventually, it's gonna fall. Do you recommend copy trading? A normal market, yes. This market, no. Unless you go really tiny. Alright, I'm gonna get off for a bit, guys. Because I'm finally positive. Let's fucking walk away until this is done, alright? I'll be back on around 1:32 Eastern. I'll let you guys know in Discord. You can see that it was squeezing. You can see that it was squeezing. That's why I was like, this has got to go up. It's not this random fucking numbers here. It needs that 1.23 extension. And then most likely it's going to go to 188s. But we got to chill out for a minute, all right? We're green. Let's fucking leave it that way. I'll be back in a little bit, guys, around 132. If you're not following, hit that follow button.